Whether you are independently operated, you own a small business, or you are operating at a large scale, here at Drop Cowboy, we offer several pricing options to meet both your ringless voicemail and SMS messaging needs. That's right, our usage-based plans include both voicemail and text messages. Your price per message is determined by your monthly subscription choice. You'll want to choose your plan based on your estimated monthly sending volume. Don't worry, if you pick a plan and don't use all your messages, any unused credit rolls over to the next month. And if you find that you need more messages than your plan provides, we have you covered. You can always purchase additional messages at the same per message rate set by your subscription plan. Just click the Add Funds button right in the Drop Cowboy portal and send as many voicemail and text messages as you need. There's no limit to the number of campaigns, contacts, or number of voicemail or text messages you can send per month. If your business needs ever change, you can quickly upgrade or downgrade your subscription at any time from within your account by clicking Pricing Plans. All of our plans are month to month and can be canceled anytime. With our simple pricing and easy-to-use platform, you'll be connecting with your entire client base in no time. To get started, simply visit the Drop Cowboy website. Select a plan that fits your monthly message volume and start sending today.